Let's learn about what arrows mean in chemistry equations. In chemistry, an arrow shows us how a chemical reaction proceeds. The basic arrow points from left to right, showing that reactants on the left side transform into products on the right side. Let's look at a simple example. When hydrogen gas combines with oxygen gas, it forms water. The arrow shows us that hydrogen and oxygen are being transformed into water. Sometimes reactions can go in both directions. In these cases, we use double arrows pointing in opposite directions. This means the reaction can proceed forward or backward, reaching what we call an equilibrium. Here's an example of an equilibrium reaction. When nitrogen gas combines with hydrogen gas to form ammonia, the reaction can go both ways. The double arrows show us that ammonia can break back down into nitrogen and hydrogen. Finally, some reactions require heat, pressure, or catalysts to proceed. We show these conditions above the arrow. These tell us what's needed for the reaction to occur. Understanding these arrows is crucial in chemistry as they help us visualize how chemical reactions work and what conditions are needed for them to occur.